Hi Gemini, let's do a reading for you. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Gemini. Oopsies, too many cards. I'm not going to pick them. So sorry. Gemini. Okay. Too many people involved, Gemini. What's happening? Oh my god, okay. The card at the bottom of the deck is the World. I'm going to keep it right here. Gemini, what is happening? You guys seem to be very stressed. Are there any property issues happening in your life, or um, your mother's health or something concerns you? Or are there disputes in your family between your parents? There could also be a possibility that you guys are involved in some third party situation. Either you or your partner has two people that they have to make a choice between. Uh, Gemini. Or probably you are getting out of that energy where your partner put you through a third party situation, whether intentionally or unintentionally, but it happened and things ended, and you have felt, you feel really tired, but you're hopeful about things. And I feel whatever you have gone through is now leaving your side. You are, yes, you've got the Wheel of Fortune and the World, which is a great thing, Gemini. I feel you're getting out of that energy. If it's your partner who has done that to you, then it is, firstly, it's really horrible. But I'm so sorry you had to go through that, Gemini. And since then, you have been trying to figure out if you want to give this relationship a chance or not, because truly, frankly, it's really hurt you so much that you feel lost and you feel defeated, and nobody should go through that energy. So, yeah, probably something really horrible happened and things ended. What I also feel, Gemini, is that your partner wants to start a new beginning with you. He want or she wants to offer you this, probably an apology and an offer to start afresh. But I'm also seeing that you are not looking at it anymore. You're more focused on your dreams, on your job, on things that have more value in your life, and that you are, uh, you feel secure about your job, example, or your family. Somebody could have a broken family as well. Probably they live with their mother, their father is not in the picture. It could be for somebody, probably just one of you. So, guys, don't feel disheartened if the readings don't resonate with you. Please check out the other signs, other placements, because you never know what will resonate. So, yeah, and if you're a cross watcher, then I hope you are getting a clear picture about Gemini. Guys, I also feel that whoever you were involved with in the past was very selfish. Like, they just wanted everything and never believed in giving anything back. Even if they do try to come and, try and start afresh, be aware of that, because that conversation, that communication could also hurt rather than heal. So just make sure what you're stepping into before you give this person another chance. For some of you, this person could be somebody who was very traditional, very stuck up in some ways, rigid, like borderline hypocrite. Basically, they want everything to happen their way, and your opinions don't matter. And they might just take it because, oh, they want to please you, but they might not put them to use. These opinions or these suggestions or advices. Whatever it is, Gemini, I feel that sometimes you need to step back and give fate a chance, give life a chance, because we are so busy taking these silly decisions for ourselves that we just forget that there is a higher power guiding us, and we keep ignoring the red flags, thinking we're very smart and that other person can be better than what they are, and we go face first into trouble. We need to stop that, Gemini. Okay? Whenever this person tries to communicate with you, be sure about how you feel. Only then can you take a decision, because you're coming out from a very indecisive energy. And if this hasn't happened, then I feel that this is happening right now. And it is a more scary feeling because, you know, because now is the time when this person wants to come back and you're already feeling so vulnerable and indecisive. Why put yourself through so much pain, guys? Please be aware about this connection. I'm not getting very good vibes. So think it through before you step into it. Love heals fear. The power of your love can help bullies and angry people to be less afraid. This is so beautiful. Amazing card. Probably this is what you are, Gemini. You're like this beautiful unicorn who just tries to spread love and care and warmth, but then people take advantage of you. So, whenever you want to give out this energy, make sure you're giving it out to the right one. Nobody is going to die if you hold your love back. Trust me, everyone survives. And when people say that I'll die without you, it's a near death experience. It's not death. Trust me, Gemini, you need to protect yourself before you protect others. Reconsider. That's what I was trying to tell you through when I told you that just, uh, think it through, because this person has already left you. This person has already made you feel like an option. Why give them another chance? Gemini. But even if you do want to give them another chance, make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. And be assertive about what you want. In a relationship, it's a two-way street. So make sure they know what you want and make sure they respect it, Gemini. You can't serve from an empty bowl. Remember that. It's time to take action. You are good enough. Probably this person from your past made you feel um, less worthy of their love because there was this confusion. Hold your vision, guys. You've got the Queen of Swords here who knows what she wants, who's going after her dreams. Probably this is for you guys to hold your vision because you are good enough. Actually, you're better than good enough. You are great, Gemini. And always know that, always have that confidence in you, because sometimes we just give too much and we realize that at the end of the day, we are empty. And when we require somebody, when we need that hug, that pep talk, people are just taking advantage of us. And I feel that nobody should go through that alone. And you really need to know what you're getting into. I know you wear your heart on your sleeve, Gemini, but right now you need to take action, taking help of your brain and letting the heart relax for now, Gemini. You deserve love, but from the right person, not from somebody who's going to run all over you and leave you hanging. So make sure you take the right decision for yourself, Gemini. Thank you for watching. Bye.